So we decided for ourselves that instead of drinking coffee, we prefer drinking this because it's healthy for the body and gives you a lot of energy. These 4 drinks are so simple to make and super healthy, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. If you want to learn more about a good morning routine, let's dive right in. Otherwise, feel free to use the timestamps. This one. What you wearing today?
Sports set, socks from boyfriend. Good tag.
Today I'm wearing the New Yorker socks, H&M pants, and a great t-shirt. Let's go.
Bing bak, bing bak, bing bak, boom.
We're gonna do some oil pulling with some coconut oil. You gotta spit that in the trash, because you can't do that in the sink because of government.
So after oil pulling, we brush our teeth and we use a tongue scraper.
Completely new, we have this toothpaste. It comes in a jar and with a little wooden spoon. I'm currently doing a adding 1 push-up every day challenge, and today's day 50, so I'm gonna do my 50 push-ups now. A video on that is gonna come as well, so subscribe so you don't miss it.
Usually in the morning we just stretch and do yoga and do like small exercises. We kind of wake up and get ready for the day. So it's like about 15 minutes we do every morning.
10 more to go. Oh, my hands are hurting. Oh, but it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. So basically that's it with workout. Now let's go with some journaling and meditation. Now we're gonna do a quick meditation session. We're always meditating with Headspace, and today's session is about observing your thoughts. So let's go.
Since it's Sunday, our YouTube video at 10:30 always goes online. And now it's time for me to post that into our stories. So that's what I'm doing now. I always have it prepared, so I just have to click and then post it. Little life hack. We're at 98 followers on YouTube, so 2 more for the first 100, and I'm super excited. This is so cool. I just love it. And also check out our Instagram. If you're not following yet, you're missing out on everyday content from the Moray fam.
So we've developed this routine over like the last months, and it's working pretty good for us. So we're gonna show you. First you start with a plain glass of water. First thing in the morning, you drink a glass of water. Seems simple, but it's very effective. This is to get your whole system like waking up and hydrated in the morning, because when you sleep, you sweat a lot and your body like dehydrates pretty quickly overnight. A glass of water in the morning is always a good choice.
So next we're gonna make our lemon and chia seed water, and this just helps to get your digestion started and is providing vitamin C. So let's do this. So for that we always use the juice of 1 lemon for 2 people. 1/2. 1/2 for me. And the other part for Riz. So next up we're gonna add our chia seeds, 1 teaspoon per glass, and then you just fill it up with water. And there you have it. You should let this sit for about 20 minutes, and in the meantime I always prepare the rest of our drinks.
So next up we prepare the apple cider vinegar. Some people say this is crazy, but yeah, you shouldn't drink this pure. You should always mix it with water and just take like a little amount. That's it, you don't need more. And the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is that it stabilizes your blood sugar. So when you eat something, your blood sugar doesn't go up as fast and also doesn't drop as fast afterwards. And it also prevents cravings, so you're not like suddenly super hungry and have to empty the whole fridge or something. And now let's go on to step 4, which is a green juice. So today is Sunday, today we're preparing it for the whole next week. So let's go, let's start preparing it.
So for the green juice, you will need some celery. And we always use like 4 lemons for our patch, a big cloth of ginger, and we have some sad looking cucumber left. It depends. If we have it, we're gonna add it, and if not, we don't. The most important part of it is to add an oil afterwards. Herefore we're using MCT oil, which is keto oil. Oil helps to absorb the vitamins better for the body. That's why we add it afterwards. I love that stuff. Did you know that you could snack on this with hummus? I never really tried it. Oh, I did, because at Easter, when we got invited from Raz family, the lady there preparing the food always has these and carrots, you know, for the vegetarians. So for the ginger, I'm just gonna take the whole one. I'm not removing the peel. I usually don't mind if it's part of the juice, so yeah, I'm just gonna cut it up and use it how it is. And I just make sure to really wash it before I leave the peel inside. On the other hand, I don't like to use the whole lemons. Of course, I could just cut off the peel and use the parts inside, but I think for texture, it's nicer if you press out the juice and then only add the juice. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Usually this is men's work.
But men are filming!
So next up we're gonna fill it up with water and mix it. Small kitchen, big projects. So once the mixer is done, we're gonna fill it up in those glass jars. You can also use regular mason jars. We usually fill up about 4 of these. Look at that beauty. This is so foamy today. So usually we used to do this with a juice maker, but if you know a juice maker, there you have like a billion different pieces you need to clean after using it. And we figured it's much easier if you just need a high-speed blender, which is really, really blending well. Back in the days, we used to take like something like this, like a clean cloth, and then stir the whole mixture, so you get all of those fibers left out, and you have a really clean green juice. But we're just so used to the flavor and to the texture of this smoothie kind of vibe, and we don't mind. And also this extra step is another step of work, and we just mix it and drink it, and that's the easiest one. We don't have to clean anything, only the big jar, and yeah, this is how we figured it's the easiest. So let's make the second batch of this. Usually we don't have that much celery, and I'm a little scared that this will flow over during mixing, but safety hand.
No risk, no fun.
No risk, no fun. In the next step we're gonna add some water to make it more liquidy, and then we also gonna add the keto oil. So that's why I'm not filling it up all the way. It's super thick, the consistency. If you don't have any super fancy special oil at home, you can also use good olive oil for that, but it really is a cool way to implement good oils and fats into your diet if you just add like 1 to 2 tablespoons into this juice. There we have them, all the babies. And this is gonna last for like the next 5 days or week. Depends on how much we drink in one day.
So that's how you make the green juice. It's very good for your gut health. It gives you energy. It gives you antioxidants, and it also has like a lot of vitamins. So all in all, a very good pack that you should drink early in the morning to get a good start in the day. So one step of our routine that we didn't mention yet is magnesium, and yeah, we just mix it with water and then drink it as well. And sometimes we even add collagen to it. This is a body-owned protein that the body uses to like have smooth skin.
Super good for the bone health, for the skin, for the hair. Ever since implementing this into my diet, I really noticed a difference in my hair, in my nails, in my skin. So
absolutely, collagen.
Collagen is a good one. And also you can get this like from animal made but also plant made. So collagen is usually in meat and bone broth, but you can also get it from plant, like a vegetarian version. So
yeah, and
just
it's
for
perfect
information.
in combination with the magnesium, because the magnesium is also good for your bones, good for your heart, and yeah, it just helps the muscles relax and stuff. So it's really calming. And yeah, very good start after doing sports. Magnesium and collagen. Oh, only one left.
Muscle.
I sometimes like to lick it because it fizzles. And we also add some vitamin C. And 1 spoon of collagen.
Collagen.
Pure collagen doesn't taste that good, but like in combination with that magnesium stuff, it's pretty drinkable. I really enjoy it. So ladies and G's, this is our morning drinking routine, and I would say let's begin. First up, lemon chia water. Cheers. Make sure to wait like 20 to 30 minutes before drinking the next drink. And the next one is apple cider vinegar. Cheers.
Cheers.
But it's healthy.
Strong. You can also drink this before you have a big meal, so it helps digest and helps to get your digestion ready.
We discovered that it even helps after a hefty meal.
Yeah, true.
Because we stopped drinking alcohol a few months ago, and instead of drinking a shot after like eating too much, you can just drink apple cider vinegar, and that also helps a lot.
Yeah.
Third up, we have the magnesium with collagen and vitamin C. Cheers.
Cheers.
Again, make sure to wait a little bit before continuing with the next drink.
This is almost one of my favorites. And also a good tip is if you're on your period or the week before your period, drinking magnesium every single day is such a game changer when it comes to pain. It's really insane how much magnesium can affect your pain during the period, so make sure to implement it in your diet. It helped me a lot, and I don't need any painkillers anymore since doing that.
And I also like it because it's sweet.
No, not because it's sweet, because it's healthy. Oh.
But also it's sweet. And the last one is the green juice. Perfect to get the party started and to round it all up. Cheers!
Cheers. Amazing. I love it.
I don't like the taste, but I know it's healthy.
Oh, it's good. I love it. This is so good
With a lot of fiber. Perfect.
So good for glowy skin, which I need at the moment because of not eating too clean. But this stuff helps. This is a game changer. I love it.
So these drinks of course don't replace a healthy diet, but they really supplement it and and a lot of good stuff. So we decided for ourselves that instead of drinking coffee, we prefer drinking this because it's healthy for the body and gives you a lot of energy. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you're going to try this yourself. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment which one is your favorite. Cheers!
Cheers!
See you next time.
See you! Bye bye!